Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add auto captions in CapCut with just a few taps. So whether you are creating content for YouTube, TikTok or Reels, this is the must-know trick to keep your viewers hooked. So let's say I want to add captions into this video. So what you need to do in here, you can just click on the captions menu at the bottom and you'll see the auto captions. So click on that and choose the sound source from video and choose the spoken language, or you can also use the auto detect features. And if you want to, you can also use the templates from CapCut right away by choosing this one, but I'm going to just generate it first. So just wait until the captions show up. Okay, you guys can see here the captions are pretty much accurate, but if you want to adjust the style to make it look more interesting, you can just click on the style options in here, and again you can use animations, effects, or you can also use the templates from CapCut. Here I'm going to change the font first into, for example, let's try, I'm going to just go with this jumper font, and then here I'm going to use templates. Let's say I'm going to use this one. Click on the templates that you want to use and make sure that it applies to all main captions. Click on the check icon and you'll see the result. Hello pasta lovers, look what I bought for just $5. It's also free shipping and very fast. And if you want to adjust it again, you can click on the style. Here let's say I want to add some glow effect, so you can click on styles, click on glow and choose the kind of glow that you want, and you can also adjust the intensity and also adjust the range or change the glow color. I'm going to just go with pink like this. You can click on a check icon and again preview the result. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more CapCut tricks and tips. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.